Many people want to get in shape and improve their health but have a difficult time maintaining a regimen that works for them. When you don't feel like making it to the gym, do these simple exercises at home. Before starting with proper workout, it is necessary to warm up. The warm-up should gently prepare the body for exercises by gradually increasing the heart rate and circulation. This will loosen the joints and increase the blood flow to the muscles. It helps loosen up your tight muscle and make them flexible so that you can perform other exercises easily. Stretches improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Perform these few simple stretches several times per day. Try to hold each stretch for about 30 seconds. In a standing position, lift one arm up above your head and bend it so you reach towards your back behind your head. With the opposite hand, gently push back against the bent elbow. Remove hold and relax, then repeat with the opposite arm. This makes the muscle stronger and more flexible, and therefore able to do more exercises. Bring your right hand in front of you and lift your left leg such that it touches your hand. Now repeat the same exercise with opposite hand and leg. Gradually increase the speed. Do this for about 30 seconds and then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice daily. Jogging in one place can be an effective way to burn calories. Warm up with a light jog. Lift your feet only an inch off the ground in the beginning. The more you move your body, the more calories you'll burn. Lift your knees higher to increase your heart rate. Increase your speed as well. The faster you jog in place, the more intense your workout will be. Jog for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. It is important to do it at an intensity that gets your heart pumping. Stand upright with your legs and feet apart. Stretch your arms in front of you in the shape of letter V. Bring your arms into cross each other in the shape of letter X. This is known as scissors exercise or crisscross exercise. Do this for 30 seconds. Then rest your arms by your sides and relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice every day. This exercise is very simple. Stand upright with your legs and feet little apart. Raise your hands up and then bring them down. Gradually increase the speed and do it vigorously. Do this for 30 seconds. Then rest your arms by your sides and relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice every day. It may look simple but has lots of benefits when it comes to tone the muscles of your arms so that they look thin. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching the video.